Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today I'm going to show you how to remove hard water stains easily from your toilet without having to drain all this water and then try to suck it up with a wet vacuum. Now the key here is to catch it before it gets real bad. I'm going to get you down in there and you're going to see exactly what I'm talking about. If you have terrible mineral deposits in your toilet, this is also going to work as well. Now we're going to get down in this toilet, and yes, I've cleaned this toilet many a times. Do you see right in there? Yes, look in there. Yes, those are hard water deposits. Okay, let me take you to another toilet. This one's in the basement. This one, you can start to see a ring that is forming along right in there. See right there? Right there where the water line is? The ring that is starting to form. So we're gonna take care of this easy peasy. Now you certainly can get one of those Pumi scouring sticks. I have made a video with that, but there is one drawback. It can leave tiny little scratches in your porcelain, and over time, it can tend to make matters worse. It's gonna depend upon how bad your stains are, how hard you were scrubbing, but do use those with caution. First thing that you're gonna need here is some baking soda. Good news for baking soda, it's affordable and it's great at deodorizing. We're gonna be very generous with our cleaning here in the baking soda. Sprinkle that on in your toilet. You're also gonna need some paper towel. You may have seen this with toilet paper. I prefer the paper towel, it sticks better. And then you're gonna get yourself some vinegar. Be very generous with the amount of vinegar that you use. And you saw, that's exciting, right? Chemical reaction. Yes, baby. Woo-wee. I love when that happens. Yes, yes, yes. The acid and the baking soda combined together, doing great things here. Okay, this is where I'm gonna take a couple pieces of paper towel. Depending upon how bad your stains are, you're gonna wanna do this where those stains are. So if you have the mineral deposits and hard water stains up here, you're gonna wanna do it there. If you have it around the rim, you're gonna wanna do it there. Get yourself some gloves, and you're gonna wanna stick this to the sides where the area is, because you wanna make sure that it's fully saturated. Oftentimes you can see that your hard water line is just above the water line. Notice I have not done any scrubbing down in here where we had those major water spots. You're gonna let this sit around your rim, wherever that line is, overnight, if at all possible. If you can't do that, just let it sit for as long as you're able to. And just for good measure, I'm just gonna add a little more baking soda right in there, a little extra deodorizing action. I'm gonna go downstairs and do the exact same thing. By the way, this combination works great for getting rid of rust. I revived an old refrigerator using this little hack. Here we are. I am so excited to see the final result. Now you're gonna need a garbage can, obviously some gloves. Do not put your paper towel down in your toilet. You wanna make sure that you dispose of this. Now grab a brush of your choice, and then you're gonna go ahead and clean that toilet up. Really get in there. You can see it's still bubbling. Yes, I like that. These were our problem areas down in there. Again, I have done toilet bowl cleaner. I have done Clorox bleach to get these hard water stains and mineral deposits up, and nothing has worked. So let's go ahead and give this a good flush. I didn't want you to have to listen to my running toilet. Let's get down in there where those problem areas were, along the side. And in here, that is looking so much better. You can see down here in that little drain, I need to do just a little bit more scrubbing in there, but looking good. Down in this bathroom here, we're gonna go ahead and remove this. Get a very generous scrub going. This is where we had the issues along the side. Get in there, flush. That is looking so good. You can see I have just a little bit back in here. I'm gonna do another application for that part. If you're wondering how to get hard water stains off of your sink, not using vinegar or baking soda, click the video on screen now, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.